Bill the cost for Easter baskets and all of the fillings can really burst your financial bubble. So today, a way to shave off some of that cost and get something more charming, more substantial, and more sturdy that's just the right size. Holly Charlesworth is here to share her idea for a darling. We're calling it an Easter basket hack, and that's a compliment. These are so cute, and it starts with a cheapy Walmart purchase, right?
Yeah, these are actually, they're like vegetable and fruit bushel baskets, I guess. That's what I call them, or apple baskets. And you can get it for about $5 at your local, any craft store really will have it.
We'll carry it. And here's the thing, I think a lot of moms, a lot of women will reach for a new, cheaper basket every year, right, as it turns over. And you get kind of the cheesy, the cheap plastic containers, or you get the wicker baskets that are shedding all over your carpet.
And the bottom falls out.
Thank you. Yes, absolutely. That chocolate is just way too heavy for that container. This is a fun idea because it allows you, it's still affordable, but it allows you to really personalize for your kid.
Yeah. So what I tried to do is just, first of all, do an Easter basket, or Easter bunny basket, because of course, Easter bunny.
Hello. Nod to the mascots, yeah.
And then I also tried to find some things that my kids enjoy and like right now, and then incorporate that into some other ones. So we'll start with the Easter bunny.
The basic, you've given it kind of a white coat of paint.
Okay. Yeah, so you'll just start with this plain basket and then just paint it white. I just used spray paint, so it just took a few minutes to get that white.
And does the paint suck into the fibers?
It took 2 coats, so I just did a quick coat, let it dry, and then came back. And it worked pretty well, I think, to cover.
Yeah, looks good.
And then I just added this little vinyl face, the little eyelashes and the little nose to kind of give it that cute bunny charm.
Okay, it's adorable. Could you pull out a Sharpie?
Yes, totally. So I used my Cricut to cut this out, but I mean, you could just get a Sharpie, draw it on, even use like a cute little pink pom-pom out of your craft supply for the nose. I mean, that would be super easy too.
This is kind of a build your own face opportunity. The kids might get it on the creative exercise
like
too.
I was even thinking a lamb or a chick if you want to go with the Easter. Little feathers for the chick.
Cute, cute. You didn't stop there though, you added some ears.
Yeah, so now if you want to help me with the ears, I start working on the tail. Just take the pipe cleaner and bend it in half and then kind of pinch it at that half point.
Okay.
And then I'm going to start getting my pom-pom tail ready.
I'm actually impressed with your ear shaping talent. Those look really legit. Hold on. Yours have like the perfect peak at the top. How did you do that?
Okay, so just kind of pinch it. Yeah, you're perfect.
Really?
And then at the bottom, just kind of, I would go all the way to the bottom and then just twist that so it's a little bit of a longer ear.
Oh, got you. Yeah, we like the long
And then just kind of shape it however you want.
Okay. Well,
and
I
then
want
we're just
to look like yours. That's what I want.
Okay, so I'll do the other one.
She's like, let me jump in here, actually. No. Assistance needed on aisle 3. Okay.
That's perfect. And then you're just going to put some hot glue right here and just glue it right on to the front, kind of like on either side of the eyes.
It almost has that 3D dimensional effect, right?
Yeah.
Not almost, it does.
This is something the kids could even help you with. I mean, I know you probably want to surprise them with these for Easter, but if you wanted to just even get some of the smaller size. So right here I got the 10-inch basket, but this one is a little bit smaller. It's a 7-inch, which would be fun just for your kids to make and use for their Easter egg hunt, maybe on the Saturday before Easter.
I kind of need
like that.
This size for my Boston, right? Like a baby basket. There's
yes, like a baby chick.
Treats you could put in there for a 1-year-old. Okay, the tail. How are you doing the tail?
Okay, so this is an awesome craft tool that I love. It's a pom-pom maker, and you can get them in all different sizes. This is the largest one that they carry at like Joann's or Michael's or wherever. And so it just makes making a pom-pom super easy because you just wrap the string around, just kind of fluff it and trim it, and then same thing, we're just gonna
We've had crafters describe the pom-pom maker as addictive, right?
It is.
Because there's something so creatively satisfying about making this fluffy little nugget, right?
Like ball, and then you just hot glue it on the back. So it's a cute little fluffy tail in the back of the basket.
I'm thinking you should make these baskets now and they could serve as decor, right? On your entry
table. I'm using this one right now. Yeah, just in my front room with some little white plastic eggs, but it would be cute to fill it with the pastel. Whatever you want to do. So that's pretty much it for this one.
And this might be a dumb detail to gush over, but I'm kind of smitten with this bright green grass.
I know, it's so pretty.
Where did you find the happy green instead of the gross, like, lawn green?
I think I got that at Hobby Lobby.
Oh my gosh, cute.
They have some really cute colors there.
What are we putting inside of our bunny basket?
So this one, I just kind of did as an idea, like I said, if you wanted to use it for Easter egg hunt the day before. have your kids kind of all have different, like the lamb, the chick, whatever
Cute.
animals you want to do. And then the other ones, I have some really fun ideas to fill.
Show us, yeah, show us.
So, okay, so this next one is based or inspired by a movie that we just went and saw as a family, Peter Rabbit.
Oh, cute.
So,
my husband took Emmy. Did you love it?
Yes, it was super fun. And if you guys know the story, Peter Rabbit is trying to escape the farmer or the guy next door. Is it McGregor? McGregor's
That sounds
garden.
about right. I'm a little fuzzy on my Peter
so,
Rabbit trivia.
so I thought it would be fun to put together a little gardening basket to give my 6-year-old because she loves just getting involved with me, doing activities. So instead of just filling it with candy, we're filling it with things that she can actually do together with me. I found these little gardening gloves. All this stuff was from the Target dollar spot, which of course we know we both love.
Yes.
Look how cute these are, little DIY garden markers that the kids can make.
Stop.
There's little
These
stones.
are cute. And they paint them.
And then they can make it for like peas or carrots or whatever it is. Okay, these were also in the dollar spot at Target, little grow kits. So they're the seed starters that the kids can do, and it's little sugar snap peas. They have all different little vegetables. They were $1.
Like the dollar spot sensed your need, Holly. It's like it knew you were coming, and it thought, what can I put into my clutches?
Isn't that so cute? And then they have a little flower one too. So for my daughter, she loves sunflowers. So we're gonna put this little sunflower.
And I love the non-candy options.
Yes, that's perfect. So we're just gonna fill out all these little tools, and then of course the bunny ears for Peter Rabbit have to go in.
Totally.
Some seeds, and then I thought a way to dress up this basket. I kind of wanted to keep it plain, like the farmer's market look. But you can just get a little chalkboard tag and just clip it on, fresh veggies.
That is adorable.
And then you're good to go.
That is adorable.
Now, I thought something kind of funny also would be just to fill it with tons of like fresh vegetables, even for my older boy.
I have to say that's a mean Easter bunny.
I know, but it's April Fool's Day, so I thought my older boys, I'll just give them all veggies and then say April Fool's.
You better put a Cadbury egg in there just to balance things out. I'm smitten with this one, of course, The Greatest Showman.
This is my last one.
Hit. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is my family's favorite movie right now. My sister Natalie made these darling printables that have lyrics from the song. So this one says "A Million Dreams."
Cute, cute.
And then inside, I just wrote a little note to my 4-year-old telling her we're going to go to a night at the movies, a little date night, just the two of us. This one is a bag of animals from the circus animals she can play with, and it says, "However big, however small, let me be part of it all." And then, how cute is this? Look, the brightest colors fill my head. You could put it on markers, paints, like anything colorful to stick in their Easter
adorable.
basket.
A coloring set, the brightest colors.
Yes,
we
coloring
know that lyric
book.
line.
So I just thought it was kind of a fun little way to incorporate something my 4-year-old is obsessed with right now.
The circus peanuts, the popcorn, that's fantastic. We're all obsessed with it, let's be honest. And just did the vertical stripes?
Yes, so that's how I just updated the apple basket by doing the red and white stripes to make it circus themed.
Okay, let's get our minds going, and you've set us off in the perfect direction. In fact, I understand you have an additional themed bonus idea on your website.
Yes, so I have, we have a Frozen basket for Anna and Elsa, since Frozen is kind of coming back in. We did them a few years ago, but
doesn't ever go out?
I don't think so.
Because we're still we're at obsessive levels still at my house. Look how cute that is with all the blue and the frosty details inside. If you want to see more of what's in that basket and others, go over to sistersuitcaseblog.com. We'll link you from our website. Happy Easter. Great ideas.
Thank you
and
so
affordable
much.
too, and non-candy. Bonuses all around.